Hello, from Speaking Academy. Meet the story, Tom and the Park. Learn new English words at A1 level while listening. Enjoy the story. Now, we will see the main English words in this story for A1 English learners. With these words, you can understand the story more easily and clearly. Look at the key English words in this story. Jacket, hat, bench, singing, ball, bottle, umbrella, shop, bread, and moon. Tom and the Park. Tom wakes up early. He wears his jacket, shoes, and hat. He goes outside to the street. The sun is bright and the air is cool. Tom walks to the park. In the park, he sees a tree, a flower, and a bench. He hears a bird singing. Tom takes a ball and starts to play. Some children come and ask to join. They run, jump, and laugh together. Tom drinks water from his bottle. He eats an apple and sits on the grass. A dog comes to play and a cat hides near the bush. Tom smiles and enjoys the day. Later, the rain starts. Tom opens his umbrella and walks to the shop. He buys bread and milk. He waves goodbye to his friends and goes home. At home, Tom eats dinner, reads a book, and sees the moon outside. He says good night to his family and sleeps. Congratulations! You finished the story. These words are useful for your daily English. Practice a little every day. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.